Welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing about two crypto apps. Choosing between BlockFi and eToro for financial services involves understanding their key features and offerings. Here's a detailed comparison to help users make an informed decision. Account types. Both BlockFi and eToro offer diverse account options tailored to different investment needs. BlockFi primarily offers individual accounts, focusing on cryptocurrency trading and interest-bearing accounts. eToro provides individual trading accounts, demo accounts for practice, and corporate accounts for businesses. Trading platforms. Both platforms feature robust trading platforms designed for different types of investors. BlockFi operates a user-friendly platform for cryptocurrency trading, including buying, selling, and lending digital assets. eToro features a social trading platform allowing users to follow and copy the trades of successful investors. Investment options. Understanding the available investment choices is crucial for users. BlockFi specializes in cryptocurrency investments, allowing trading and interest accrual on major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. eToro offers a broader spectrum, including stocks, ETFs, cryptocurrencies, commodities, forex, and indices. Commissions and fees. Comparing fees helps users understand the cost implications of their trades. BlockFi charges no trading fees but makes money through the spread on trades. There are withdrawal fees for certain cryptocurrencies. eToro implements a spread-based fee structure. It charges no commission on stock trades, but fees apply for forex, commodities, and cryptocurrency trading. Interest and lending. Evaluating interest rates and lending options is important for potential returns and borrowing costs. BlockFi offers competitive interest rates on cryptocurrency holdings through its BlockFi interest account, with rates varying based on the type and amount of cryptocurrency. eToro does not offer interest-bearing accounts but provides leverage for certain assets, allowing users to trade with borrowed funds. Security and regulation. Security measures and regulatory compliance are critical for safeguarding investments. BlockFi employs robust security measures, including two-factor authentication and cold storage for cryptocurrencies. eToro also prioritizes security with two-factor authentication and encryption. It is regulated in multiple jurisdictions. Mobile experience. A robust mobile app enhances the ability to manage investments on the go. BlockFi, the mobile app mirrors the functionality of the web platform, allowing users to trade, manage their interest accounts, and monitor their portfolio easily. eToro, the mobile app is highly rated for its user-friendly design, offering full trading capabilities, social trading features, and real-time market data. Promotions and bonuses. Introductory offers can add value for new users. BlockFi frequently offers promotions such as sign-up bonuses in Bitcoin for new users meeting certain deposit requirements. eToro often runs promotional campaigns including sign-up bonuses, free stocks, and referral bonuses. Conclusion. Both BlockFi and eToro offer unique features catering to different types of investors. BlockFi is ideal for those focused on cryptocurrency investments and earning interest on digital assets. In contrast, eToro provides a broader range of investment options, including social trading, making it suitable for a diverse group of traders. That's all for today. Like and subscribe for more content like this.